I'm back here with another video, and today I'm just doing a review on the L.A.Colors chrome liners, and also just a mini tutorial. I'm going to be doing a review on 4 of these and just kind of going over what I think of these. I'm also going to be doing a swatch of each one of them. So we'll start. The first one we're going to start with is going to be the foiled one, and this is the L.A.Color chrome liner here, and it is in foil. And then I'll do a swatch of it so you guys can kind of see how it looks. Like so. And then next, we have the L.A.Color chrome liner, and it is in rose gold. So this one right here, and then the color is in rose gold here. And then I'll do a swipe of that one. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay. Then next we have the L.A.Colors holographic liquid eyeliner, and this one is in Galactic gold, so it's called a holographic one. We'll do a swatch of this one, and then that is how that one looks here. And then lastly we have the L.A.Colors chrome in, I think this one is liquid gold, so that's the front part of it. And then I'll do a swatch on this one. This one is my favorite one. That one and the Galactic gold, of course, because it's so pretty. Like it's so pretty. So I took a little time before I did a review on these because I did want to try to wear them for a couple of times just to see how they do. I have worn these all day and they stay put all day, and they're only $3.99 each. I found one of mine at CVS, and the rest of the colors I found at a beauty supply store. I'll put a link down below which you can find in the description box to purchase these, but I think these are a steal. You know, I'm all about finding a good value for your money, and I've fooled around with a lot of makeup, and you don't have to spend a whole bunch to look good. You really don't. So, and that's why I just wanted to share this with you guys. If you just want to, and these are also cool, is if you want to just do something kind of cute and simple like this look, but you don't want to do, the whole shebang eye look, you're not rushed in the morning. You can even just do it. Sometimes I'll just do it right here in the inner corners and go, when I just want a little pop of color. Now I will say the brushes on these, let me show y'all something here. The brush on these is not as firm and thin. So for instance, hopefully y'all can see this. Let me see here. Bear with me, y'all, because I can't. You see how kind of, I don't know, like it's not, the brush is kind of flimsy. So, and then sometimes you might, the gold shows up pretty, but the silver and the rose gold and stuff, you may have to put an extra layer on the other 3. That's the only downside, I would say. But like I said, for my eyelids to be as oily as they is, because child, I can put the best of the best on my eyes and sometimes they'll still get runny. So for something like this, a glitter liner, a metallic liner that's this inexpensive to last on my eyelids, I'm all for it, and the price point is good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you find it at all helpful, don't forget to like before leaving, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Now I'm going to do just a quick little tutorial, something super simple, and I'm going to be using the Galactic gold one, the Galactic gold, and then I am going to use the liquid gold, my favorite one. I'm going to use the Galactic gold in the inner corner, and then I'm just going to put 3 dots on the very end here with the liquid gold. And y'all bear with me while I try to work with this. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing, because I need to be able to see, because I'm using my phone to record this. But just like I got the other side, you're just going to go in the inner corners. And this doesn't dry right away, so that's what I like about it. So if you kind of mess up, just take your Q-tip to make the line a little bit straighter. Like, let's say it comes out too fat in the inner corners or outer corners, or however you're using it, you can just go back with a Q-tip and wipe that up, and then, you know, perfect it as need be. And then I'm just going to go down in the bottom here. All right, so that's it for the inner corners. And then just for the outer, it's super simple. Once again, you might have to dip more than once to make sure the it's coated. And then you're just gonna take the liquid gold like so, and then you're just gonna put 3 dots right there in the corner at the end of where your eyelids meet. Like that. And that is it. That is the look. Super simple, super fun when you're just wanting to do something, you know, you want to look like you tried, but you don't really want to do a full like eye look. And you can even, I've even went up in this area here and just made several other dots, you know. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you find it at all helpful, don't forget to like before leaving, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.